welcome to the channel. I am your stream guide Morphine. We're going to do a review and demo, walkthrough, whatever you want to call it, a Placeit tonight. This is Placeit. Placeit is a graphic design site. As you can see here, they have 65,000 templates that you can use in a whole bunch of categories. If you saw my, I think it's about $80 a year for Placeit, which, if you're on a budget, that is not something that is necessarily doable. Otherwise, it's $80 a year. Yeah, $12 a month. So, and the reason why I say that is worth it, is if you have used Fiverr in the past and you come to Placeit, you're going to realize that a lot of things that you might have bought on Fiverr, sadly, are clearly from Placeit. So if you are looking for something that is fairly standard, or if you're looking at their portfolio on Fiverr and it just seems very generic, it's possible that it's off of a site like Placeit, if not Placeit itself. The thing that if you're watching me on Twitch, the thing that you're on here curious about is the gaming category. You click on gaming, and just about anything you could imagine is available out there. You have logos, banners. I think there's emotes, overlays, badges. There are templates for, you can see right here, there are templates for various Facebook posts, cover makers, posts, story makers, thumbnails. There are YouTube of the same thing, Twitch, designs that fit the Twitch, fit the various places you post things on Twitch. So, and I said there's 65,000 assets out here, so it's definitely worth your time looking at it. I can show you this. This is the page where there's a lot of thumbnails and ads that I have made, like a lot of stuff that I have made on Placeit. You won't find my actual logos that I use out there because I did get those off Placeit because I really wanted them to be, unique. So I didn't use Placeit for that. And when you go into one of these things, actually I will go into one. So there's another site I use called Canva, which is similar to Placeit in that, it has the same kind of categories. It's DIY, graphic design, and customize images and whatnot. But I find that Canva has a couple features that Placeit doesn't have, such as a automatic background remover on images. It's not limited to how many text or graphics you can put on the thing like Placeit is. Although for Placeit, that does change based on the template. Some templates are actually locked down. Like, you can change a text or graphic, but you can't add something new. Some templates on Placeit do allow you to do whatever. On Canva, from what I've seen so far, you can do anything to any of them. However, the reason why I still use Placeit a lot is because there's far more templates. Yeah, Canva's pretty cool too. I love the background remover on Canva. It's better than anything I found in GIMP. And Placeit, unless I'm missing something, anyone can tell me if I'm wrong, I haven't seen a background remover Placeit. So anyway, so for this particular thing here, and this is I think it's an Instagram post. So there's a template. So you can see there's a handful of text things that I can modify, and I can modify the color and the font type for any of them. I can add additional text, and again, not every template is going to allow you to add additional text. Here's the colors for the various things. You can add another graphic, and then they have a decent photo library on Placeit. I find that the photo library on Canva is a little more robust. I think that one's pretty good. Or you can always upload your own image. So this probably took me, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe to modify, and it's just another one of those just another ad I could post on any of the sites. And what I do, now, actually, and the reason why you see so many ads and things like that, and I'm actually starting to make more and more, is I'm getting into pre-making these kind of things for Twitter, um, Facebook, Instagram, and anything else, and then I just sort of schedule them, and they post at whatever time I schedule them. Because I can go into Canva or Placeit. Talk about can't place it. I can go into Placeit for say 90 minutes, and I can probably crank out a dozen different ads or posts like this. Get them all scheduled, then I don't got to worry about it for a week. So that's Placeit. It's not free, but it's really good value.